open up your Midjourney Discord. Now scroll down, and as you can see, there are some existing prompts through which people have generated several images. You can use them and make changes accordingly. Now, if you want to change the second image, you simply need to click on the V2 button below it. After that, scroll down, and here you have another prompt. Furthermore, you have many options like upscale, subtle, vary, subtle, and more. Next, open up Google and search for Remix Midjourney. Now, click on this Remy mode link over here. In Remix mode, Midjourney allows you to mix the layout of one image with a new prompt, creating a new image that builds on the first one. Now here, you can see how to use Remix. You can also see the steps and results. Now go to your Midjourney Discord and here, click on the message bar. After that, select Imagine Prompt and then enter your prompt such as Medieval Castle, Bright, Wide Shot, Cinematic, and 8K. Now click on Newbies 27 and here you can see a prompt like a cinematic golf course under the Eiffel Tower. Furthermore, you also have the option to increase the image size up to 4 times or 2 times. After that, if you click on the Create Variations button, Midjourney will generate a new image using the composition of the initial image. The interesting thing is that when remixing your images, you can easily switch between different versions, settings, aspect ratios, and any other parameters you want. After that, scroll down and click on the message bar. Then select Prefer Remix to turn it off or on. If you found Midjourney interesting and want to try it yourself, simply click on the link given in the description box. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.